Hi everyone, we are LaChiMoLaLa, and we are back with Request Week! Yay! And we had a lot of great requests to look through for EXO, but people keep telling us about live stages, and we love a good performance. So today, we're going to watch a little compilation. It's EXO doing White Noise, Into Thunder, Into Playboy, Into Artificial Love. Wow, that got really high. 4 songs, guys.
Thank you so much to our. I can't even talk right now. Thank you so much to.
When we were working on how loud it should be, she saw Baekhyun, and this happened. So thank you very much to all our XOLs who requested this.
Yes, yeah, so yeah. Exactly what she said. Yeah. Okay.
I feel like we should just get into this.
Yeah. Okay, well, hold on. I can pull myself together for 30 seconds. Maybe a minute. Okay, so
Why are you testing yourself? Come on!
I don't know! Should I be wearing my glasses? Okay, anyways, why do I sound like this already? Okay, I don't know either. Okay, well, so for us, we have traveled down the path of their music videos, and so we pretty much almost made it there halfway, and so we wanted to save the live stages. I know many XOLs requested us to watch the live stages like almost near at the beginning of our journey, and we wanted to wait on it so that we could, you know, have a much better understanding of who they are and
what they can do, frankly, like as artists.
Yeah, and I feel like the deeper we get to know these guys and listen to their music, I feel like we'll have like a much better appreciation of their live performances as well. Yeah. So thank you so much to our XOLs and Aries, to like just being very patient with us about this. I know many of you guys have told us so many times, you have to see the live stages. Wow, why did I sound like that? You have to see the live stages.
Apparently, we're just doing a bunch of weird voices in this one, so...
Yeah, I guess so.
This is what EXO has done to us, guys.
No!
We get all riled up and start using weird voices. It's a compliment.
Why?
I know it seems weird, but it is.
Why? Okay, anyways. But
we haven't seen these songs, right?
We haven't seen these songs. I'm assuming that these are their B-side tracks. We are B-side girls. Not to say we don't like the title tracks, but we always gravitate towards, well, not always, but I mean, we have a tendency to gravitate towards, I'm trying to...
Guys, there are no absolutes. These are generalizations. That's a known thing. Okay,
trying to hold myself
better?
together. I made it through for 30 seconds being like very quaint and stuff.
Why are you going for a minute? I told you you couldn't do it. Okay, sorry guys.
My hair's already disheveled. Okay.
Can we start the video? We'll get into it afterwards.
Okay. Okay. All right, you guys. I'm sorry.
We're so close.
So close. You guys, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe so that we can continue on with more EXO content. Especially their live performances, which I'm nervous about right now.
Well, we're definitely planning on watching.
Yeah, I think so.
I think that was the moral of your story, right? We're getting it.
Yeah, it just took a very long path to get there. Okay, let's get it.
Okay, guys, get ready for the puddle.
I came prepared, y'all.
All the fans.
Oh, you know, it just can't be one. It can be 2.
All right, guys, get ready to see Tammy have a meltdown. Here we go.
I'll be fine.
Ooh. Uh-oh.
Why is it doing this hand thing already? Sorry.
Play. Ah! Yeah. It's cute hair.
Right? Ugh, Shan.
I know. His voice is so amazing. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh! What is happening right now? Why are they dancing in water?
Oh my gosh. I can see why so many people requested this. Oh my gosh, Lay's so flexing.
Okay, they look so adorable.
Right?
Stop it, Shen.
Oh my gosh. This is totally your kind of song, like the music bed and everything.
Suho, man.
So much human, I love it.
Oh, like,
He's so hot. Ooh, so fun. Is there more rain coming?
oh my gosh. What? Yeah. What?
Wow. Ah.
Oh my gosh, that duality right there.
Right? Ah. Ah! My gosh, I can't win like stuff like that. Ah!
gosh. So handsome.
Ah, my gosh. I like how they played it all sides. It's so
Yeah.
cool. Right into your heart.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. What?
We haven't made it to their super saucy era yet, apparently.
Oh my. Oh no.
This is a Tammy song.
That's totally my song. Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh my God. What's this? Wow.
Oh gosh.
Vocals. Right.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Wow.
Guys, stop, bro.
So saucy.
Okay, I'm really enjoying these songs. They're fun.
Right?
Oh my gosh, props!
I know! Like your kryptonite. Just means you can do slower body rolls, right?
Wait a minute.
Wait, can you deal with this? Can you even deal with this right now? Let's just go back just a little bit. I just want to make sure that we're making all the right visual. I feel like squats are a big deal for this group. Right?
Even the sliding of the hand with that cane, please. I see that.
Ugh, please. Ah,
oh my god! Oh gosh, shoot, man!
my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I love his vocals so much.
So good. Ah!
Oh my gosh. Even the split screen.
So you don't miss a single one. Wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The shoulders.
Can't trust this. You got that caught in me, so
Oh my gosh. This is my kryptonite.
So much happening.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Imprison myself?
turn it up.
Yeah.
Oh, stop it, Chen. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
What? How low can they go? Jeez. Oh my gosh. No.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
There's more than blindfold. No.
Oh my gosh. I can't.
Oh my gosh. Stop it. These two. I swear, these two just move like water.
Right? Ah! So hot.
Oh my
Yeah. Oh my
gosh! Oh my gosh, what just happened?
Oh my gosh, there was a lot going on, guys. Guys, for us, that was a lot. There's a lot happening. First of all, I am so happy that this was OT9 still.
Mm-hmm.
So much fun. A total unexpected treat for me because, guys, I can't help it. Lay's like my number one. I love him so much.
I love
him so much. I love all the guys so much, but like, Lay's my guy. When I see him dancing, and when I see him and Kai too, I think, ugh, Kai must like miss having someone he can play around with like that. Like, you know,
Mm-hmm.
I feel like they probably both pushed each other to like do better and be better. So
Mhm.
I just love seeing the two of them together. It's so sweet.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that dance break at the end, so
Yes.
incredible. They make it look so effortless, you
Right? And it's
know?
so funny because even though they're both amazing and they're doing the same dance, their styles are so
So
different.
different, yeah.
It's so interesting to watch them because you're right, they have so many similarities, but they're still uniquely their own, which I really like. I like that they're not trying to like mimic each other. They're not
Mhm.
trying to look like one standard thing. It's still
Mhm.
kind of like
Mhm.
ah, so good. So let's just start real quick with the songs since we hadn't heard any of these. Obviously, we haven't reached the Playboy era. Maybe we should.
Maybe we're gonna speed this up so we can get to the Playboy era. You guys wish was.
Maybe we gotta get on that.
I mean,
Wow. I
yeah.
mean, there's always and never enough. I was gonna say there's always enough and never enough of Baekhyun. You're always like, yes, he's giving me everything, but also I want more. He definitely shows off good to all of these songs. I saw your face.
Oh. As I'm trying
Okay.
to hide.
Are you buffering?
I am. Yeah, we haven't seen many live performances yet, you know.
No.
And
I mean, we know they're fabulous live performers because we hear about it all the time.
mhm.
But we've kind of been saving it until we knew their music better.
Yeah.
And what do you think?
Speechless. Oh my gosh, it makes me very excited, you know.
Exactly. For us, this is all like upcoming goodness. So I kind of feel like we just got a preview of, the next couple eras.
Yeah, like 2023, is the year of EXO, I feel like, because I mean, they're finally like Baekhyun's back, Chanyeol's back, and so they're finally together. Of course, we always think about Leia as well, but for the most part, at least OTA is back,
Yeah.
and so this year is their year, and I feel like they'll, whether it be they have like a fan meet coming up,
Yeah.
so which is like super exciting because they're all gonna be together performing like this, and how exciting is that for XOL/Aries, like it's so special, because it's been so long,
I feel like reading their joy has just made me so happy.
Yeah.
Like, it's just nice to know, like this is what you guys have been waiting for.
Yeah.
There you go.
and now like we have a better understanding why XOLs are like, oh my gosh, you have to see the live performances. Yeah, we get it. The music video could be totally different from a live performance. We know, we've been through like so many concerts already, like things, perspectives change, like they totally change, you guys, once you're in a live audience. We always talk about this offline, like, oh, this song, I totally see it differently now because they did it live,
Yeah.
So I mean, I feel like, if you're, say for example, hypothetically, XOLs, don't get mad at me, but hypothetically speaking, say for example, we always have that song, right, where it's like you're kind of lukewarm to it, like On Screen, Thunder. That's a good example, though. Very good song, you guys. But Thunder, for example, you come into this and you're thinking, oh, Thunder's like, okay, it's not exactly my jam. You see it live and you're like,
Damn.
it's a totally different feel,
Yeah.
It's a different feel when you watch it, when you watch, a music video, of course. It's also a different feel when you watch a live performance, through YouTube. Then it's also a different, different feeling when you actually are in there in person watching them perform. All totally different feelings, of course, all valid, but the feel is different, and for us, I feel like watching the live performance, it's like, for me, I see them in a different light now because I've never seen So like, of course, we haven't seen a lot of their live performances yet because, again, we saved it so that we could, because we wanted to hear more of the catalog, and it's just like, wow, just watching this by itself, it's like I could see why XOLs, there's a huge fandom, like they are meant to be superstars, like
they're so comfortable and confident on stage. It's incredible.
They have that stage presence, and it's you can't get very far if you don't have that stage presence, and they clearly do. They have obviously the vocals, like they got their choreo down, of course, but like it flows so seamlessly, like perfectly,
And I actually thought that these were a really good representation of how much, I mean, there's barely any time where they're looking at each other. It's more about connecting with XOLs. And, I think that's another reason why XOLs love them live so much. And I can see why, because they're spending all their time with you, like, I just thought that was really, like, the way they play it is so nice.
Yeah.
I just love all the time they give to XOLs. I just think it's so fabulous.
Yeah, that connection with the whole entire like stadium. So I mean, like, honestly, like, Suho, oh my gosh, like,
right? Woo.
I was like, whoa, Suho and Schumann, like, I mean, what just happened?
Right? Again, people who was like, yeah, you see him, you're like, yeah, I like him, he's cool. And then you're like, oh wow, oh my.
The just like their facial expressions, Suho, I was like, what? I'm like, is he staring into my soul right now? I'm not used to this. I mean, I'm used to, well, I'm never used to Baekhyun, but I know Baekhyun, gives like that, like, come over here kind of stare. Right. But I mean, Suho, like, it's just, wow.
Unexpected.
Very unexpected, So I was like, oh, wow.
Because we've mainly seen leader Suho, so we haven't seen, oh yeah, I'm head sexy EXO Suho.
I was like,
sexy
what just
Suho.
happened? And Schumann too. I was like, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh
so
my
nice, because he's such an effortless dancer as well. So I love seeing him. He also like glides. Ugh, so cute.
Oh my gosh, yes. Ugh, and Chen and his vocals every single time. Okay, I'm gonna say it right now. I don't think I ever said it out loud before, or maybe I have. I'm not sure, but I am revalidating it right now. Okay, I think I have like a billion like bias wreckers in this group, but I'm saying it now. Chen is definitely my bias wrecker because every single time I see him, like my heart just like, oh my gosh, his vocal is so gorgeous.
I love Chen too.
Like, Chen's voice, is just
it is so perfect, like by anyone's standard.
I know, and it's just how, I mean, like, how,
What? How? Why? Yes, please.
So beautiful. Like, his vocals are just insane, and just like his vocals are like, I mean, oh my gosh,
Guys, we love it.
I don't know how to put it in words. Incredible,
Incredible. Incredible.
This is such a cool live performance of him. Just like, wow,
I also liked how I felt like we got to hear like Chanyeol's vocals and stuff. Like sometimes I'm not as aware of when he has, solo lines as much because I think of him as more rap line. So that also was like a nice little bonus for me. Yeah, again, like we can hear the songs and appreciate them, but then seeing who's doing what and how it flows together, it's just a whole nother level of artistry.
Yeah, and I felt like we heard a lot of Dio too,
Yeah.
and seeing him as a performer as well, you know, on the stage, and it's just like, wow. I love how his personality came out though. He's like, do I really need to do a heart with you? Okay, I guess, you know,
Right.
sure.
And Chen's like, just do it. God, he's so petulant. Do it. It's so cute. He's just laughing at him.
Yeah. And of course, you know, seeing him coming out and rapping too, you know, so that was really cool to see. And Kai.
I'm sure they found him the biggest cane they could, but it still like didn't come up to his waist. I don't know if you noticed that, but I was like, he's such a giant.
I know, he's so tall. But yeah, don't even get
But
me
he
started.
looks so flexy. Nobody does shoulder shakes like Sam.
Oh my gosh. So flexy, you guys. So flexy.
Just saying.
I mean, if you guys remember, flexy means flexible and sexy. You heard it here first, okay? Man, he is flexy.
Describe most of the dudes in this group. Probably all the dudes in this
All
group,
of them.
actually.
All
Now
of
that
them.
I'm thinking about it, I'm like, is there? Nope. Yeah, it's all the guys in this group.
Oh my gosh. And it was fun witnessing Kai's duality, you know?
Yes.
Like,
Yeah.
1 second he has this giant smile on his face, and then like bam, like, you know? So I was like, wow.
You're like,
I was like, excuse me, sir, you know? Yeah. But anyway,
It's like he
yeah.
switched the sexy flip switch or whatever. He was like, sexy now. Enjoy. Ah! Oh my gosh, so much. I definitely like these outfits. They all looked very cute. I liked all the different cutouts, and you know, it looked like easy to dance in, which as a performer I'm always concerned about. You managed to look sexy, it's flowing, but it's like not too much. I really liked it.
Yeah,
Super cute.
I think it was like very simple. It was great.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It was nice because it let them shine in what they were doing instead of the outfits. So
Yeah.
like it. Yay, so
Yes,
cute. Thank you
I
so much
know.
to all our XOLs who knew we would love this.
Yeah. Oh man, Baekhyun.
I know. How many times are you gonna watch this tonight?
I don't know, probably 100.
So good request, guys. Job well done.
Thank you so much, you guys. Oh my gosh, now we understand why you guys wanted us to watch this so badly.
And as I recall, you said to me offline that this was one of the groups you were most excited to see live. So,
yes,
fingers crossed that a tour may be in our future.
I know. Well, we are very selective now of who we watch in concert because, you know, K-pop could be very expensive.
Yes.
So EXO is definitely on my bucket list for sure. You know, oh my gosh!
yeah.
After watching this, 1,000%, yeah. Oh man, I'm sorry, you guys. I'm getting very speechless just even looking at the screen. Oh my god. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us and watching our meltdown, sort of.
Oh, this goodness.
I know,
happening.
right? So goodness. Thank you again, you guys, for requesting. Yeah. I'm just gonna end this.
Just go for it.
Yeah. If you guys like this video, which I hope you guys do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we are LaChiMoLaLa, and we will see you guys next time.
Annyeong.